Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone after 17.4 update. If you are experiencing issues with the Face ID not working on your iPhones, there are several troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. So in this video I will show you step by step that how to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone after 17.4 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check for any obstructions. Ensure there are no obstructions covering the True Depth camera area at the top of the iPhone. Remove any screen protectors or covers that might be interfering with the sensors. After this, you need to do is clean the True Depth camera. Gently clean the True Depth camera with a soft lint-free cloth to remove any dirt or smudges. Avoid using harsh chemical or any hard material as they could damage the sensor. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve these type of issues and can fix the Face ID issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings and then tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone completely and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is reset your Face ID and set it up again. If the problem persists, try setting your Face ID and setting it up again. To do this, you have to simply go back and then scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. Then scroll down and you will see your option reset Face ID. Simply tap on it and set your Face ID again. After trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Face ID not working issue on your iPhone after iOS 17.4 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.